Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Jet to Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve print last digit. Actually, previously we have solved this question, but it has a really some interesting edge case. First, let me explain the question. Our given input is 1234. Our output should become 4321. These are the reversed number. These are the 4321. Only last digits. We no need to construct the reverse number. Okay. So previously, let's explain how we have solved previously. So while our n is greater than 0 and we have printed the last digit is nothing but n mod 10. After that we have updated our n as n equal to n by 10. In this case, let's take your n is 1234. Once we printed the last digit, we have destroyed the last digit. So our n is 1234 into 123. It becomes, right? So after that it will become 12. After that it will become so 123 into 12. After that 12 into 1. After that 1 into 0. So finally your n becomes 0. But it has a really some interesting edge case. What is that? So we have to print the last digit. So the same question wise, it's very simple. Question wise, it's same. We have to print the last digit, but without destroying the given input. Let's take, suppose this is your input. Without destroying this n. In previous case, we have destroyed, but without destroying this n, we have to print the last digit. And you may think we have a sum of genius in our subscriber set. We may think, so yes, I can take some backup in temp equal to n. Then I will do all the operation with the help of temp. In this case, n is not destroying, right? Yeah, you may think like that. It's not your mistake, but note this point. Don't back up the input into any other variable. You can't back up your given input, but you can declare any other variable. You can declare the variable, but you can't take the backup. Okay. So let's do some observation. How can we solve this question? Okay. So let's take, this is my input 1234. In this case, I need last digit. I need last one digit. How can I take that? 1234 remainder of 10. I will get what I will get. I will get 4 here. So in this 4, okay, I got 4. Okay, my first task is I need to get 4. Okay, I got 4. After that, same, I have a number 1234. In this case, I need last 2 digit. I need last 2 digit. How can I get last 2 digit? Remainder of 100. So in this case, I'll get 34. In this 34, I need only 3. I need only 3. How can I get? You have a 34 in this case. I need only 3. How can I get? Divided by 10, you will get 3. Yes, absolutely. Okay. Then again, you have a 1234. Then you need a last 3 digit. How can I get that? Remainder of 1000. You will get a last 3 digit 234. In this case, I need only 2. I don't want this last 2 digit. How can I do that? Yes, divided by last 2 digit of 2 zeros. If I do divided by 100, so it has a 2 zeros. So it will destroy the last 2 zeros. Then you will get only 2. See, we are not updating anything here. So we are not updating our input in any point of our entire program, right? So after that you have an input 1234. In this case, you need all the digits. So remainder of 10,000. So in this case, you will get all the digit. For this case, you need only 1. You don't want last 3 digits. So divided by 1000. You will get 1 here. That's it. But see what I have to put here. In every case, I have remainder of some number and divided by some number. So what is the particular number I have to put here? Then I will get 4. Which number I have to put? Yes, exactly. It is divided by 1. So 4 divided by 1, 4. 34 divided by 10, 3. 234 divided by 100, 2. 1234 divided by 1000, 1. But how will I get this 1234? Modulo of 10,000. Modulo of 1000. Modulo of 100. Modulo of 10. See, here I am going to here I am going to change our expression into global expression. So let's declare some variable. My div variable is 1. So I can replace, instead of 1 into, this is my n, right? So I can replace my n This is my 1234 is my n. So how can I, what I have to do, print my n remainder of what is this number. This number is 10. If it is a 1, if your div is 1, this number is 10. If your div is 10, this number is 100. If your div is 100, your modulo number is 1000. If your divided number is 1000, your modulo number is 10,000. So it is nothing but div into 10. It is a multiple of 10, right? 1, here it is 1 now, here it will be 10. Here it is 10, here it will be 100. Here it is 100, here it will be 1000. So it is nothing but div multiple of 10s. Okay. After that I will get 4. So divided by div. So the whole answer divided by div. See, then I will get everything. In each and every iteration, what will my div? My div will become multiples of 10. See, multiples of 10 means 1 now. Here div into 10. In this case div into 10. In this case div into 10. That's it. Okay, let's do some code and then we will understand something. Okay, let's take initially my I got the input from user. So while it has some condition, we will think what is the condition later. First print system dot out dot print ln of. So first we need a div variable. So int div is initially containing 1. So system dot out dot println, it's nothing but n remainder of div into 10. First of all, div into 10. Okay, after that the whole answer divided by div. The whole answer divided by div. Okay, and each and every steps our div will become incremented by multiples of 10. For the first, see here, initially our div is 1. After the next iteration our div will become 10. After the next iteration our div will become 100. If it is 100, this is 100 into 10. So we have solved that formula already, but each and every step our div will become incremented by multiples of 10. So in every iteration my div equal to div into 10. That's it. But what is the condition here? What is the condition here? So let me explain. The condition is very simple. Actually the condition is hiding in this part only. See, you have a only one digit number. You have a only one digit number. One digit number is nothing but the number may be 1 to 9. This is your one digit number, right? What is the minimum number of one digit number? That is 1. This is this one. This one is less than or equal to any number, any one digit number, right? If your digits of number is 1, it will be less than. Suppose you have a 2 digit number. 2 digit number is nothing but 10 to 99. This is the possibility. What is the minimum number of 2 digit number? That is 10. 10 less than or equal to 10 to 99. So this is your 3 digit number. This 3 digit number is minimum 3 digit number is 100. So 100 less than or equal to 100 to 99. Same like that, let's take your div. You have a 4 digit number. 4 digit number means thousands. Your number is containing thousands of number. It may be 1234, 9900, anything. So this number is definitely, the div is less than or equal to, our div is nothing but 1000. Okay, the minimum number of 4 digit number is 1000. So after this case, what will be your div? So again div into 10. So your div is become 10,000 in this case. 10,000 is greater than your number. So your condition is always follow div less than or equal to n. If the condition is false, that time you have to stop your loop. See, up to this condition is satisfied. This 1000 is less than number. This 100 is less than this number. This 10 is less than this number. This 1 is less than this number. Which means nothing but 4 is greater than 1, 34 is greater than 10, 234 is greater than 100, 1234 is greater than 1000. After that, if you do some multiples of 10, if you increment it by your div, so 1234 is your number, but it is not greater than your 10,000. So your condition will false. So you have to do, your condition is nothing but your div less than or equal to n. That's it. That's it, guys. So let's run the code here. We have missed something. This div, okay, it has some extra. Okay, my input is 1234. What will C4321? This is what we are expecting, right? So if I print n here, let's take, if I print n here at finally my n value is my n value. So value of given input is plus n. Let's run the code. This is what we are expecting, right? So our given input is 1234. Our task is we have to print the last digit from right to left, and the value of given input also not destroying. So this is what we are expecting. So I hope you have understood this concept. So I will catch up you in next interesting problem, guys. Until then, bye bye, take care. Please revise our previous problem. Bye bye.